Hello children, welcome back to the English 2 session. As you all know, in the previous session we began with the topic verbs. Verbs are also called as doing words or action words. We have learnt one rule in that when there are singular pronouns or singular nouns, we add s to the verbs, and if the nouns or pronouns are plural, we do not add s to the verbs. Now let's learn this by solving the activities from the textbook. So children, now I want all of you to open your grammar textbook to page number 35. Okay, I hope all are ready. Keep your finger on the book and repeat after me. Doing words. Look at these pictures and the words. Okay, now you can see there are a few pictures here. Let's learn more about the picture. See, in the first picture, the girl is skipping. So the action word here is skip. In the second picture, the boy is brushing his teeth. So, brush is the action word. In the third picture, you can see the children are playing. So, play is the action word. In the fourth picture, you can see the girl is sleeping. So, sleep is the action word. In the last picture here, you can see the girl is watching the television. So, watch is the action word. Okay. These words are called doing words. Doing words tell us what a person, an animal, or a thing does. Since these words show actions, they are also called action words. Here, doing words show the action. So, another name for that is given as action words. They show us what a person, an animal, or a thing does. When we use he, she and it. Now what is this he, she and it? These are the pronouns. Okay, these are singular pronouns. We write the doing words like this. Doing word plus s. That means if they are singular pronouns or nouns, we add s to the verb. For example here. He sits on the bench. He is a singular pronoun, so we add s to the verb. The second example, she swims in the pool. She is singular pronoun, so we add s to the verb. When we use I, you, we and they, we do not add s after the doing word. Okay, now you can see here children. I is singular pronoun, but still it follows the rule of plural as it is an exceptional case. Okay, here you, we and they are plural pronouns. Right? So we do not add s to the verb when we use these pronouns. Okay, now let's solve the exercise. Exercise A. Underline the doing words in each sentence. The first one, Amit swims in the pool. Okay, now you can see here, which is the action word? Swims. Here Amit is singular, so we add s to the verb. This example is done for you. So now let's switch on to the next example. The second one, Zahmad sleeps on the bed. So which is the action word here? Sleeps. Here Zahmad is a singular person, only one boy. So we add s to the verb. The third example, Suresh and his friends play in the park. See, now here you can see which is the action word here? Play. Okay, now Suresh and his friends. So this is plural. Suresh plus his friends. It is plural. So we do not add s to the verb. The fourth one. Yash jumps over the fence. So here jumps is the action word. But Yash is singular, so we add S to the verb. The fifth one. The bees fly around the hive. Okay, so here fly is the action word. Okay, now here we have not added S. There are different rules for adding S and IES and for making the verbs plural. Sorry, for adding S and adding IES. If the verb ends with Y, we remove the Y and add IES. Those rules you will learn later on. Okay, now here as bees is plural, we only do not add S to the verb. Okay, the sixth one. Nana writes a letter to grandma. Okay, here Nana is singular, so they have added S to the verb. So writes is the verb here, and they have added S to the verb as Nana is singular. Okay, children, this is all for today. I hope you have understood the concept. We are going to stop here for today and continue in the next session. And today for your homework, you will be writing 25 action words in your classwork. Is it clear, children? And no need of sending the homework now. Okay, I will inform you from when you have to send the homework. Is it clear, children? Okay, this is all for today. We'll stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.